Hi everyone, let me show you how you can quickly convert your research paper into beautiful mind maps, interactive mind maps. So when you are reading research paper, if you want to quickly get the idea of the content, the best way is to convert the paper into mind maps. So let me show you the workflow. We are using only free tools here. So go to ChatGPT and click on upload and click on add photos or files and choose the research paper that you want to use. And what we are using here, a tool called Markmap.js. So go to this link, I'll attach in the description, click on try it out, and this will take you to this page. Here you can see there is a syntax on the left. So we will create this syntax. It is basically text format. It will be rendered as mind map on the right side. Here you can see it is interactive. It is very useful. It can even render tables and so on. Okay, so here in ChatGPT we will ask write mark map syntax for this research paper in detailed format. Okay, I'll simply press enter. So let ChatGPT read the paper and it will write the syntax which Markmap can read. So if you have these two tools, you can pretty much go through several research papers quickly by looking at the content, through mind maps. So this is a very useful workflow, and yeah, even you can see here there is an option to download as SVG. So if I simply expand this and click on download as SVG, you can see I am now able to download the file as an SVG file, which you can paste it in presentations, documents and so on. And yeah, it is quite useful. It is an SVG, so the quality is very high. Okay, so the ChatGPT has done its job. Let me click on copy. Let's go to Markmap and select all the text, Control A, backspace, delete everything. And we have already pasted the syntax and paste it here. Right click, paste. Look at that. How beautiful is this? So it is very, useful to look at the structure of a paper. So this is a very detailed. We could have asked, make it simple. So I'll ask, make it a simple version. So let it load. Meantime, see. So the title of the research paper is here. You can see authors, abstract, introduction, results and discussion, experimental procedures, reference. So you can click on this dot. It will reduce, it will minimize those nodes. So you can, go in an order rather than having all the information at once. So I would prefer to look at a research paper in this format, if I am running short of time and I quickly want to get an idea of so many research papers, and everything is free, which is great. You can see abstract. So if you want more details of abstract, simply click on this dots. So yeah. So for example, you want to get an idea about only the results and discussion. You can ask here, create syntax for results and discussion in a detailed format. The drawback is it doesn't support images. You have to look at the figures by yourself, but you get an overall image. Okay. So let's copy the symbol version of this one. So let me download it, the detailed version, and a symbol version is here. Let me select the entire syntax and Control V. See, here you have a more simple version. So I hope this will be a very useful workflow. Convert research papers into mind maps, any documents into mind maps. You could even convert any text into mind maps. So yeah, see you in the next video.